Uh-oh. Ah, hell nah, bro. The motor is burning. Yeah, bro. I think it's kinda cooked, bro. You have water in there. And Joy is getting arrested, I guess. What a beautiful day. This is the sunniest day we've had in a while. Oh yeah, that scooter is cooked, bro. I'm gonna make it better in a video though. I'm gonna make a video about fixing it. The G2 Pro is a shitbox. I got the backup battery for the G2 Pro in my backpack. Joy will arrive a little late because Clau forgot his helmet apparently. Go on single, bruh. You're wasting power if you go on dual. Oh man, why is my rear brake so trash all of a sudden? Bro, my rear brake is straight ass. I don't know what happened. Oh man, uh-oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Hold on. What happened, bro? I hope I didn't blow something up. Oh yeah, it unplugged. Hold on, give it a try. Okay, it works. Oh, thank God. Yeah, lock the scooter, bruh. Alright, let's go devour some burgers, bruh. He explained dumbass in one word. Dumbass. I should limit the power on the G2 Master, actually. Or should I? Nah. But I don't wanna see the atrocity Joy is gonna bring to this Rideout, bro. I bet he's gonna be on some goofy vehicle. Oh yeah, fast guy. Oh man, that scooter sounds like it's coming apart. Let's hope it holds up for the Rideout. He got speed though. He's going 35. Oh yeah. Push. Come on. What up, y'all?
Finally, dude, it took you ages.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut them. Yeah, I'm too lazy to cut them. Hey, G2 Master. Yeah, it's the same. Yo, what is this, bro?
You got a vest on.
You got a vest on it.
Pushing 3,100 watts.
Damn. How many amps are you pulling from the battery? 84 amps. Are you sure the battery can do 84 amps? This doesn't look safe, bro. It's too thin. This looks like it's gonna break. Yo, that's an e-ride. Yo, bro, that thing looks mad, bro. I want an e-ride, man. What happened, bro? It died?
No, you see my glove getting stuck right there when I'm wheeling, or that's a big problem.
Oh yeah, Lil Crow is pedaling for his life. Bro, I don't even want to know how strong this shit is gonna be on 72 volts. I am not gonna do jumps today because I don't fully trust the clamps holding the box. Damn, bro, that e-ride looks mad. Gang, what you mean it's small? Look at this thing. It's like twice the size of your bike, bro. Look at the damn motor. It's as big as my whole wheel. Yeah, but this looks mad, bro. I need one. I think Christmas is over, bro. Oh yeah. Bro. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this here. I wonder whose scooter is this, bro. Kinda looks familiar, doesn't it? The deck is held on by one screw. Hold on, hear me out. Ventus Bikes powertrain on this. Bro. Ah, hell nah, bro. Do a jump with it. Oh man. Well, what are you doing, bro? Hey Joy, you might want to check motor temperature. Oh, nah, let it rest. Stop riding it, stop riding it. The motor is burning. Well, that's what happens when you overclock a motor. No, it won't explode, but the magnets will stop being magnets. If the magnets demagnetize from too much heat, you have to replace the magnets. Ooh, that sounded bad. Yeah, bro, this fender is cooked, bro. Look at it. Yeah, Joy was too lazy to put all the screws on it. Ooh, that sounded painful. This scooter looks crazy though. Let's try Joy's Vesk scooter. It's not that strong though. The torque is not that good on this one. The motor is small, that's why. Are you gonna put a bigger motor in the rear? I think that's a little too big to fit on it. Bro, what is this? Anything but make it look nice. Whoa. Bro, how strong is the brake on this thing? Bro, this thing is too fast, bro. This is like 200 or something.
Look at that, 205.
That's insane, bro. Okay, this is square wave. This is gonna sound insane. Kinda sounds like the Knoki's Miria though. Let's go. It ain't turning on. Is the battery giving you power?
It's turning on. It's stuck on power.
Oh, but that connector looks mad. Yeah, bro. I think it's kinda cooked, bro. You have water in there. Oh man, what happened to your phone?
Dude, it's cooked. I can record.
Oh, your camera is cooked. Maybe water got on your controller. I think it's cooked. Oh yeah, brand new e-ride, bro. 500 kilometers and it's already having problems. I wonder who's gonna be the first in Romania to put Ventus Bike's powertrain on an e-ride, bro. Yeah, I'm not rich, man.
You have a dual desk, master.
Yeah.
That's money.
Where is Epota with my G2 Pro? If you want a Vesk that's gonna break records, you have to get the Tronic X12 Pro. But the scooter has been sitting around for like a month and now my rear brake is bad. I have to change the pads maybe. I should try bleeding it actually. Shimano brakes with Magura oil in it. I had these brakes since I had my bike. I had a bike which I broke on stairs. I went down the stairs with it and the front forks broke. Bro's bike is starting to break. Oh yeah! This thing is fast. Is it fast? Well, that was a long wheelie. Yo! I got 53 volts. I'm good. I still got 53 volts. The range of the project scooter is pretty good actually, because Vesk is more efficient. Should I do a top speed? Hold on. No, I'm gonna stay behind and I'm gonna fly past them. Yeah! This thing is so fast, bro.
Have a nice one.
Nah, bro was fuming, bro. Bro fell for the rage bait. Well, I just gapped everyone. Oh yeah, that thing's flying, bro. Yo, you should check the motor. Yeah, are you sure it's fine? It's dying, bro. That scooter is dying. The bike died. Come on, come on, come on.
I broke my Rolex.
How? It broke. Yeah, you should put it in your pocket. Make sure you don't lose it. They're changing the battery because the scooter died. Peak engineering. Allen keys.
Bro, let's open up the deck. Help me out.
Oh hell yeah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Teamwork. But why does this rubber come off so...
I know.
Bro. Yo, where is this battery from?
It's from the KuKirin C1 Max.
Told you. Why does it say C1 Pro on it?
Oh, C1 Pro, my bad.
What is that contraption, bro? Oh man, the wires are thin. This is a massive battery, bro. Are you gonna duct tape the battery on it?
Yeah.
It's fine, bro. It ain't gonna fall. We're using the whole roll of tape. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. Oh yeah, this is peak Balkan engineering, bro.
What?
Wait. You're putting tape on the switch. Okay. Bro, duct tape fixes everything.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, this brake is connected to nothing. Ah, smells like gas. Ooh.
That could...
You dare run over my shoes, bro? Yeah, this is your... It doesn't work? No. I'm gonna make custom stickers for it to make it look cool. I've heard that the motors are not the same. Both of them are G2 Master 2024s. Bro, how many versions of the G2 Master are there? The box from AliExpress, bro. The clamps, I 3D printed them. These 3D printed clamps, you can get the STL files for them if you become a channel member. Bro, you gotta get hydraulic brakes on it. Oh man, my G2 Pro is so cooked, bro. Look at the motor. Have to replace it. Damn, bro. Little kid riding the e-ride, bro. Little kid got more power than me. Not for long. Bro, the lights on this scooter look amazing. I could get the same look on the G2 Master. I might do it actually. Oh my days, bro. Face ID doesn't work to the goggles. I still got 52 volts, bro. It's alive. Bro, what? It was dead, bro. How?
No way.
I don't know. I just pressed the button. I gave it to him because he doesn't have a scooter. Donated the poor. Damn. 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 You are now on manual mode, bro. I guess you're working out. Getting big legs. Yep, I'ma just go between the cars. We're going left. We're going in front actually. Yeah, oh my days, I just ran a red light. I didn't do it on purpose, I swear. Bro, we did it right next to the police station. Bro has lights. This is so fun, bro. Where is Epota? Oh, he's right here. Where is Teknoki, bro? He got left behind. Oh yeah, yo, that looks cool.
I have projectors.
Bro, it's the first scooter I see with this feature. Hey, he did a wheelie. Wait, someone's calling me. Yeah, bro, yo. Yeah, it's good. Come on. Hey, I'ma just... Man, this looks unreal, bro. We are so many. Oh yeah, Mr. Crow is doing a wheelie. Oh yeah. Damn, he's doing a wheelie at like 60 kilometers per hour, bro. Bro, this guy knows what he's doing. Bro, wheelie master right here, bro. It's time to change the battery in the G2 Pro because this one is dying. It's got 44 volts. The deck is held on by only one screw. Yeah, open it real quick. Yeah, get out. Oh, hell yeah, 51 volts. Hey, bro, they got my boy Joy here. They are sliming him out, bro. What are they doing, bro? Lil Crow is making black magic cam settings and Joy is getting arrested, I guess. Police is on the way. Hi, Joy. I'm gonna bounce. See you around. Hey, Mr. Crow. See you around.
Bye.
Well, that was fun. Bro, we rode literally all day, bro. I still have like half of the battery on the G2 Master, bro. That thing has, bro, the new battery, I mean, it's not new, it's a shitbox battery, but bro, the battery has like 10 volts of voltage sag, bro. That battery is so fried, man. I mean, it's not my battery, it's Technoki's battery, so it's not my problem. Oh shit. Shit. Bro, we are good boys now. We aren't doing anything dangerous when police is around. Well, the G2 Master is a rocket, bro. I gapped an e-ride. I rode all day with Joy on wheels and I still have like half the battery, bro.